basically is it's a set of, you can't really call them brass knuckles, can you? Electric knuckles. And you put them on, and yes, it is the Falcon Punch. And I wish the video had it, because this poor guy comes up and he just gets a shot to the chest and just goes down like a sack of potatoes.
He's like, oh, what's going on at this table? Oh, Christ.
So it was, oh man, I hope this works. Because, once again, it was...
God damn you, Microsoft, and your shoddy products.
I'm not even gonna, but the Nikita, who here has played Metal Gear Solid 1? Everybody in the room. It's great. Metal Gear Solid 2? Alright. You guys remember the Nikita then, right? Yeah. How many people crashed the Nikita into a wall trying to get... Yeah, alright. Okay. We're not here to shame you. So we have some glaring issues with the Nikita, okay? Have you ever thrown something really softly and watched it fall down at all? The Nikita must go like 2 years an hour. now it's a video game, right? Like suspension of disbelief. We don't need a missile going as fast as missiles do. But let's pretend as though, it does, right? So here you have the missile. I'm going to say, how many people play Peace Walker? No.
Oh,
not as
crap.
many, but it's all right. No, it's okay. It just came out. It's a recent.
2 years ago.
Now, the law from Peace Walker, right? This particular one, the M72A3 law, has an average muzzle velocity of 475 feet per second. Per second. Rounding up, that's 324 miles an hour.
You'll be faster than Nikita.
Yeah, it's a little faster. It's a little faster. So, just giving ideas, obviously there's missiles with electrical optical technology that can be steered. But like, if I wanted to hit Bobby in the back of the room, I wouldn't use the Nikita because it would...
He may have time to escape.
You may have time. So the idea of using a weapon like that at short range, or relatively short range, like near the end of the room, it's not plausible. Or I wish the video had it, because it's when you try to rescue the president and you shut down the generator. That would be Solid 2. Let's pretend, I don't know, it's going 325 miles an hour. Yeah, I don't need to explain what happens. Now the Stinger, we talked about the law. That's not even from Metal Gear Solid 1. It's a different weapon. Oh. Okay? The Stinger goes, on average, 1,600 miles an hour. So if you're firing that down a narrow hallway to hit some stupid generator, it's turning into paste. It is a non-object.
You're going to ruin the president's day.
You're going to ruin the president. Oh, let's give me a sample president. So now to go without saying, the technology exists, but you put it on something like a surface-to-air missile or a jet, something that's far away, So you want to make sure, like, okay, I want to hit something. I'm in midair, I want to make sure I hit the target, if it's in a cave or it's on the ground or what have you. That's when you would use it. Not hitting a guy over there. Let's get this. Now, right here, the other thing is I believe even Snake addressed it in Metal Gear Solid 4. There's just not much room for, electronic guidance systems in the shoulder mounted missile. This is from the M72 law, and I'm not a wizard or anything. But you can see right here, there's not much room for much else. So you're sacrificing the strength of the warhead. So what would happen is, you're like, great, I have this missile that can go 2 miles an hour, and I can steer it everywhere I want. Hooray! And whenever it hits, it's like,